This is a little Tetra-Flop puzzle, and I will show you how to fit all 6 parts inside the frame in this video. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latussek and made by Pelikan. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle, as I mentioned, is to fit all 6 parts inside the frame. If you like the little Tetra-Flop puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. The solution is quite complicated, so it will take a while to explain it. So first, what you have to do is to put this piece inside and stick it out of this opening. Then you grab this piece and put it inside, rotate a little bit, and put it on top of the first piece, like that. Then you grab this piece, put it inside like that, but you can put it only in this part of the frame. If you try to fit it here, it won't fit, since it needs a little bit more room to rotate. Then you put it like that, rotate the piece, and leave it here for now. The next step will be to move the bottom piece, this one, all the way in. Wait a sec, you have to lift this up, move this all the way in, drop it down right here. The next step will be to put this piece inside with a little bit of rotation, but you don't have to drop it down, just hold it like that, tilt the puzzle like that so that all the parts will drop to this side. Now you grab this large piece and put it all the way inside through this opening. Now flip the box so that this large piece will go to the top layer, and tilt the box so that the other parts will slide down under the long piece. Now you drop this piece down, and here is a tricky part. You have to tilt the box towards this opening. The T-shaped piece will move right here. Now you can move this piece in, and that's when you have enough space to put this part, and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, the solution is quite complicated. It took me a while to find it, and even explaining the solution looks quite complicated. So I hope you understood how to solve the puzzle. If no, you have to watch the video again. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Dr. Volker Latussek or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca.